Hello everyone, welcome to Fine Arts YouTube channel. In this video we will draw a JCB machine. First I draw the upper body of the machine. And now I am drawing the windows of the JCB. This will be a very beautiful JCB machine. Try to draw with me. Now I am drawing the wheels, big wheels of JCB machine. Wow, it looks very cool. Let's finish our JCB machine. And now I am drawing the bucket of the JCB. Our JCB machine is almost complete. Let's paint it together. Yellow, pink, orange, it is going to be a colorful JCB machine. Purple, red, green, blue, brown. Let's paint the wheels. Black, grey, our JCB machine is complete. See you in the next video. Bye bye.